This is a Frugal Gardener. I'm doing a lot of experimenting this fall and winter. If you are, if you follow this channel, you know that this is my first fall and winter on this property, and I'm kind of just taking what I have and trying to make it work. This is a grow bag, which is not ideal for growing in the wintertime, but I want to grow Brussels sprouts and broccoli. And in order to do that, I need height. I need something that's going to go up a couple of feet from the soil. So I came up with this because this bag was already here. It was used for radishes, Asian radishes. And right now I'm working the soil. And I have these polycarbonate um, panels left over from the old place. And this is also, everything here is repurposed. So this is not the final product. There's work to be done down here because this is cloth. I'm going to have to cover this from the bottom, but this piece of plastic was not tall enough to go from the top to the bottom unless I pound these stakes in the ground a little bit further, which I may end up doing. The bottom line is I'm going to use this greenhouse material that I had left over and this polycarbonate, and I'm going to plant probably today or tomorrow Brussels sprouts and broccoli and pray. So I'll keep you guys posted, let you know how this goes. Like I said, this is incomplete. I still have to put more insulation around the bottom. I might even take some of these panels and add them around the sides like I did in the back. So that's it. I will keep you guys informed. Subscribe so that you don't miss what's going on next. This is Frugal Gardener. You guys have a great day.